Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you the 5 best exercises for building strong muscular arms. Whether you're training at the gym or at home, these moves will target your biceps, triceps, and forearms to give you bigger and stronger arms. Let's jump right in. First up, the classic bicep curl. This exercise isolates the biceps and helps you build size and definition. Grab a pair of dumbbells. Keep your elbows tucked in. Curl the weight slowly up, squeeze at the top, and control the way down. Do this for 3 sets of 10-12 reps. Next, we've got hammer curls. This not only works your biceps, but also hits the brachialis muscle, which makes your arms look thicker. Hold the dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Curl the weight straight up. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Go for 3 sets of 12 reps. Now let's hit the triceps, which make up about 2/3 of your arm size. One of the best bodyweight moves is Tricep Dips. Use a bench, chair, or parallel bars. Lower your body slowly until your elbows are at 90 degrees. Push back up and squeeze your triceps at the top. Aim for 3 sets of 12-15 reps. Another great tricep move is the overhead tricep extension. Hold one dumbbell with both hands. Keep your elbows close to your ears. Lower the weight behind your head, then push it back up. This will stretch and grow your triceps. Do 3 sets of 10-12 reps. And finally, a killer bodyweight move, close grip push-ups. Place your hands shoulder-width apart or slightly closer. Lower your chest down, keeping your elbows tucked. Push back up strong. This will target your triceps, chest, and shoulders. Do 3 sets of 15-20 reps. And that's it, guys. The 5 best exercises for men's arms. Add these to your routine, and you'll start noticing stronger, more defined arms in no time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. And if you want to know my secret of how I lost weight and got in shape, check the link in my DM. I'll share everything with you there.